Hey grill enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of outdoor cooking. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 grills for 2025 that you just have to check out. These grills are the latest and greatest, offering a range of features that cater to every type of griller out there. Whether you're a gas, charcoal, or pellet person, I've got something here for everyone. Each grill on this list has been carefully selected based on performance, durability, and user satisfaction. Get the links in description to get the best price. So, let's fire it up and get started with our first contender. First up, the Weber Genesis E-325s 3-burner gas grill. This grill is a powerhouse, designed for those who love precision and control in their cooking. This beauty is all about power and precision. With its 3 high-performance burners, you can achieve an even cook every time, ensuring your food is grilled to perfection. With 3 burners, you get an even cook every time. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking surfaces. But the real kicker? It has an amazing sear zone for that perfect steak. Imagine those beautiful grill marks and that delicious seared crust. Pros great control, reliable ignition, and sturdy build. This grill is built to last and offers consistent performance every time you fire it up. Cons, it's on the pricier side and takes up a bit of space. If you have a smaller backyard or are on a budget, this might not be the best option for you. Next, we've got the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. This grill is perfect for those who love the traditional charcoal flavor but want a bit of modern convenience. Charcoal lovers, this one's for you. The Weber Performer Deluxe combines the best of both worlds. It combines the classic charcoal flavor with modern convenience, thanks to its gas ignition system. No more struggling to light your charcoal, just push a button and you're ready to go. Pros, incredible flavor, easy to start, and a large cooking area. You can cook for a crowd without any hassle. Cons, a bit more cleanup is required, and it can be heavy to move. If you don't mind a little extra effort, this grill is a fantastic choice. Now let's talk smart grills with the Monument Grills Denali 605 Pro. This grill is perfect for tech enthusiasts who love to integrate technology into their cooking. This grill is like having a sous chef right in your backyard. With its advanced features, you can control and monitor your cooking with ease. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in thermometer, you can monitor and control it from your phone. Imagine adjusting the temperature without even leaving your seat. Pros tech-savvy features, large cooking space, and sleek design. This grill not only performs well but also looks great in any backyard. Cons, learning curve with the tech and a steeper price tag. If you're not tech-savvy, it might take some time to get used to all the features. Fourth on the list is the PK Grill's original PK 300 grill and smoker. This grill is a dual threat, offering both grilling and smoking capabilities. This one's a dual threat. It grills and smokes. Perfect for those who love versatility in their outdoor cooking. Perfect for low and slow BBQ or high heat grilling. Whether you're smoking ribs or searing steaks, this grill has got you covered. Pros versatility, durable cast aluminum build, and portability. It's built to last and easy to move around. Cons, smaller cooking area and no frills design. If you need a lot of cooking space, this might not be the best choice. Last, but definitely not least, is the Traeger Timberline wood pellet grill. This grill is the king of flavor with its wood pellet system. This is the king of flavor with its wood pellet system. You get that authentic smoky taste that's hard to beat. You get consistent heat and amazing smoky taste. Perfect for those who want to take their BBQ to the next level. Pros outstanding flavor, Wi-Fi capabilities, and a huge cooking area. This grill is perfect for large gatherings and serious BBQ enthusiasts. Cons, high maintenance and a hefty price point. If you're willing to invest the time and money, this grill will not disappoint. So there you have it, folks. 5 amazing grills for 2025 that cater to all your outdoor cooking needs. Each one offers something unique, so you can find the perfect match for your grilling style. Whether you're a gadget geek or a flavor purist, these grills have got you covered. From high-tech features to traditional charcoal flavor, there's something for everyone. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try out. Happy grilling, and don't forget to subscribe for more grilling tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those grills hot and those flavors sizzling.